thanks for stopping by Double G's Garage today. You know, exciting day today, the car's running. You know, I think everybody's been there where you start a project, you work really hard on it. Yeah, you might be hitting it every day, at least every weekend. And then you get to that point where you just burn out on it. So I've been there for a while with this car. But today, got it back together, got it running good, getting ready to go take it on a test drive. So it's really exciting. All right, here we are again, getting ready to go take our first test drive. If I look like I'm 7 feet tall, I really am not sitting on the seat. I am sitting on a Home Depot bucket, no lie. No interior, and sitting on a Home Depot bucket. So this should be exciting. And of course, in the vein of everything else, I don't have any brakes hooked up yet. So we're gonna use the emergency brake to stop. This should be real exciting, so stay tuned. I think we need to do front shifter bushing. We're moving. Well, there you go. Wasn't that exciting? We got to take it for the first drive around the yard at least, and we're going to finish up that other front seat, get the seats back in it, and then when we already got tags and insurance on, we're ready to take it out on the road. So we got a lot more to do. We still haven't hooked up all the brakes. We got the rear disc brake kit put on there, no hydraulics at all yet, and we're getting ready to do the fronts. So still a lot more work, but like I said at the beginning of the video, you just get to that point sometimes with your projects where you just get burnt out, and I'm like beyond that with this one, but now it's exciting because I got it running again. So stay tuned for more. We're going to have some more fun with this 64 buck. Thanks for stopping by, and if you like what you see, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, show us some love. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.